Valitaan kuninkaiden Luxon eteenpäin 40-60 kilometriä aavikkoon. Aikio kiviä, mutta hän näyttää mitä tarjotaan siinä Basarin kadulla. Kun siinä on ero. Hän on myrkkyä ja sitten täällä hän näyttää miten tässä. Se tulo on pelkkä tästä tämä Mari. Ilmeisesti katsomaan miten hän kirjoittaa. Mutta ensin hän tekee sitten englannin kielellä.
Hello, welcome to our house. Would you please come closer around the table? All of you will speak English?
I think so.
That's nice. I will give you a brief idea about the stones. First, we start about the famous stone here in Luxor in West Bank. This is alabaster. Look how it is. It is translucent under the light or transparent. Okay, alabaster, crystal. Alabaster, we have the 3 different colors. First color, this is white. Can you touch? He brings good luck. You can touch it.
Ah, okay, then I need it.
Luck.
Yeah.
And here we have a brown alabaster. Oh, no touch. It's okay. And this is a green alabaster. White, brown, and the green. 3 different colors. And here also we have a volcanic stone. It's basalt stone and the granite stone. Okay, this is basalt and this is the granite. Rose granite, and here we have a dark granite. And this is a limestone tablet, like the walls to the king and Hatshepsut temple. Limestone absorbs the colors. Alabaster stone is a crystal, okay, and translucent under the light. We bring the alabaster stone behind Valley of the King mountains, about 25 kilometers from here. And we make it out of alabaster many vases and many statues and handmade stuff, like the ancient Egyptian time. Don't worry.
I'm worried.
If you hold it, you buy it. I'm kidding. So, this is a handmade vase after 7 days to be done. Handmade vase. This is machine made, which is heavier than the handmade one. This is take 1 hour work, maximum 2 hours. Okay, very heavy. You can touch. Go ahead. Very light. And how do we make a handmade vase like this? This will be our first step. Here we start to cut the stone and shape it like this gentleman by using a tin hammer to make it a different form, to make it a different shapes. For example, he makes vase, candles, statues, carrots, or any shape, exactly like this. About 5 or 6 kilograms. You are strong. Show me your muscles. Oh, very good. You can stay work with us. So this is a 5 or 6 kilograms, very heavy. Come on, yalla, yalla, I am here with you. Oh, very strong. Woo! Yeah, you are strong. Tutankhamun. That's nice. Second step, we need to make a hole inside. Before to make a hole inside, we cover it by linen and glue with powder alabaster. Then we bury it in the ground and we drill it by hand drill for to make the hole inside. Hoppa, yalla, yalla, thank you. Who would like to try? You want to try? Sure? You can try. Try? Go ahead. Yeah. After that, we polish it by 3 different sides, hard medium and the top. Then sand the stone to make more soft and more smooth. After that, we wax it by the beeswax. Why? But it wax to appear in the natural colors. Look under the light. Wow! Oh my goodness! Thank you. So this is handmade bead, translucent under the light. Here also we have a basalt stone. You know basalt? Original basalt. This is exactly what we found in Amman. And in street by $5, $10. This is resin and imitation, not original. خش يا معلم فيش حد دخل. في حد بخش هنا. And this is original granite, and here it's concrete. Okay, this is exactly what we found in Amman and the street, not original. Here we make it a limestone fabric. Can you close it, please? Here Egyptian tableau cap. He makes it a limestone cabinet, like the wall between the king and Hatshepsut. First, he drums that is the limestone by this cabinet, then he starts to carve it by different shapes. And he carves it hand relief or thin relief. The final product we follow them with the natural colors. This is the colors that we use it: red iron oxide, lapis lazuli, black iron oxide. This is our mineral color. Never change and water proof. Thank you, Vikas. Now come on the blue side and we'll show you everything. So, can you talk to me over here? Yalla yalla, my family. Here we have a basalt, great basalt. And then basalt is called old, gray and dark green, never be black. Okay, this is original stuff. Here we have original granite. This is a granite stone. And this is a limestone tablet after we carve it and we bend it with the natural colors. The colors never change and waterproof. So one more minute please, I will show you alabaster under the light. Can you close it please? Come here.
I did that tonight.
Take your time. So, here we have alabaster stone. Alabaster, like I told you, outside we have 3 different colors. First color, this is the brown alabaster.
Wow! Oh my God!
Thank you. Say, when you say big wow, we make it big discount. Brown, white alabaster.
Wow! Oh my goodness!
Here is green alabaster. Whoa! OMG! That's the bottom of alabaster stone. You can use it for a candle, for tea light, sunflower, some oil. And this is a candle for tea light. Okay. And here we have alabaster and we paint it with gold color. And that alabaster is phosphorus, it glow in the dark. Light up please!
Not me, that's why.
Yeah, go ahead. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
Turn it on?
Yeah, it's enough. Thank you. And here is our museum bark of the store from my grandfather, the best of the best and the masterpiece. That's all about. Take your time, touch it in a piece. If you like something here, we accept dollars, euro, credit card, and nobody will push you. And everything wrapped by Baba wraps to sell your stuff, and we have all common drink. Hot tea and cold hibiscus. Who'd like hibiscus?
Me.
Hibiscus cold.
Me.
Karkade. Hibiscus.
Tämä on original.
Niin joo, varmaan. Ollaan nyt se pyramidi.
Hibiscus cold.
Usement.
Äiti, kun mä haluan...
Täällä olisi oikein hienoja nää. Mutta on kalliita varmaan.
On.
Tuokin olisi kato semmoinen.
Ja liian raskas.
Thank you. Shukran.
You're from Romania?
No, Finland.
Huh?
Finland.
Finland. Terva, terva.
Terve, terve.
Mitä kuuluu?
No.
Viva kuuluu.
Hyvä kuuluu, kiitos.
Viva kuuluu.
Se kissa on 3 kissaa.
Mulla oli yksi iso kissa.
Äiti kattoo.
Mikä se tuli?
Millä
Se on
voi
jotain
istua?
Mikä on ihan?
Kyllä siellä se sofassa.
Niin joo, siinä on.
This is basalt. This is basalt. I'm looking for this one.
Yes, how much is this?
How much for this? How much for this? Which one? This, $2 million.
Oh, no, then I not buy.
You don't have enough finance.
Yeah.
Each $25.
Oh my god.
Wow.
$25.
This is alabaster. 25 اخذ 14.